Prior to watch this video, viewers are advised to watch my video lesson on the concept of absolute zero as a part of my online thermal physics video tutorial series in my channel. In 1924, Bose and Einstein predicted a phenomenon where bosonic atoms coalesce into a single quantum mechanical entity and act as a single giant superatom as their quantum wavelengths overlap. Quantum overlap occurs, that is to say, particles slow down so much that their quantum wave functions merge. Particles lose individual identities. Particles condense into one single quantum entity and merge into a macroscopic quantum state, exhibiting phenomena that are normally only seen at microscopic levels. By means of giant superatom, quantum effects like wave-particle duality become visible on a large scale.
Ready lecture notes and study materials are available on request. Please use the comment section below for further academic discussions. Viewers' suggestions and ideas of new video lesson topics are gratefully appreciated. Stay tuned for more uploads. Please remember to like, subscribe, share.